Hi everyone, welcome back. We have come to the end of the year and this is the video that you have chosen to close the year with. But before that, I take this opportunity to thank all of you for the million of views that we have gotten in this channel. Also, we would like to thank everyone who has worked with us this year, and we want to tell you that you have made our year a big success. And for the ton of you who watch this channel in incognito mode, we love you so much. We admire you, but we wish you would get the fun that you get from subscribing to this channel. By the grace of God, every week we find ourselves crisscrossing in this country, and sometimes we find very unique homes. This is a mini gated estate of 2 units, and each unit has a plinth area of 220 square meters. That is supposed to be a mansion, but you are getting it in this development as a bungalow. Each unit has been done very well, and I like it that it has been inspired by the Rwandese culture. And at the core of it, the developer of these units is not Kenyan. That's why you can see some unique colors and some unique finishes in these homes. Initially, we thought that the Kenyan developers are the best, but this development has surprised us. Enyewe, there is a Kikuyu saying that says, "Modo tathiaga eciragia no nyina orugaga wega," and that translates to, he who doesn't travel thinks that their mother is the best cook in the world. Just look at this compound. It has been done extremely well, and the distribution of the greenery has been done equally in all corners. I like it that the developer is giving you a perimeter wall. The grand entrance where the gate is super beautiful. You are also getting these patterns in the compound just to improve the claustrophobicness of an empty space. This is where you are supposed to park your cars, and to be honest, this space is able to fit 4 or 5 cars. This plant is supposed to be on that edge, but the caretaker told me that it is being affected by water, so he has brought it here to prevent it from dying. Life is very important. I'll take you inside. But before we do, just have a look at this entrance porch. Dutch blue may not be my favorite color, but this molding have been done extremely well. The developer was very specific on quality, and he made sure that these homes will be a masterpiece in Kitengela. By the way, we are just 2 minutes from Namanga Road, and these homes are going for only 15 million Kenya shillings. So if you would want to give yourself a Christmas gift, make sure you take one of these. These homes comes power connected, internet connected, DSTV connected, and solar water heater connected. I'll take you inside. As I take you inside, the African real estate team and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. The first thing that you notice when you get to this unit is the ceiling height. What you are getting is 14-foot tall ceilings, and this has been distributed all over the unit. This living room is massive, way bigger than what you need, and this space would easily fit a 10-seater all the way to a 12-seater couch. It has been done very well. The semi-transparent door plus this big window are giving you a ton of natural light. You have spaces up there to make sure that the space is very well isolated. What is missing is a mosquito net on that space, but the developer told me that by the time you are purchasing this unit, that will have been fitted. The gypsum ceilings have been done very well. The colors are very neutral, and I like it that the living room is opening to the dining area on this side. This home is a 5-bedroom unit, and it comes with a dining area that is big enough to fit all the people that will be living in this home. On this side, you have a mini vanity, a beautiful mirror, a space for you to keep your detergents, and behind me you have the common washroom, and that washroom is doubling as the guest bathroom. Everything has been done very well. You are getting a full-size mirror on my far front, a small wash basin. The WC is on this side, and on this other side you are getting a hard head, a rain shower, and some, is it a bidet sprayer? I'm not very sure, but it looks like it. There is some uniqueness that comes with such a unit. First, if you understand geopolitics and African integration, you understand that there are some influences or cultural influences that will come with that. This unit comes with a very unique closet. And the funny thing is that all the closets in these units are movable. So if you don't like this closet here, you can move it to there, you can move it to next to the door, or maybe you can move it to the other room. That is something that you have not seen in the Kenyan development. The partitioning of each closet has been done very well, giving you spaces for the hangable clothes, spaces for the foldable clothes, and 2 drawers down there. From the guest bedroom, you are going back to the living room on this side. This hallway is supposed to take you to the other bedroom areas, and on my far front you have a door that is welcoming you to the kitchen. For the kitchen lovers in the channel, this is how a Rwandese kitchen looks like. It is more or less like a Kenyan one, but there are some distinct differences that you will note. First, you are getting a double sink here. The faucets are different from what you get in the country. The windows and the windows installation is totally different from what we get here, and the cabinetry have been partitioned differently. The space that is standard here is supposed to be a 6-burner. This is a 4-burner, but you are also getting a numerous number of drawers for your crockery and cutlery, and these other spaces have not been partitioned twice like we normally do. If you notice, the ceiling heights have not changed. On this other side, you have a space that has been reserved for your refrigerator, big enough for a double door, and next to it, you have your pantry where you are supposed to keep your dry foods. This is supposed to be your laundry area, big enough for your washer and dryer. You have a door here that takes you to the bedroom areas, and next to it you have the employee quarters, which is also the 5th bedroom. On this other side, this is where you are supposed to do your kitchen garden, and you have some poles that can convert this space to act as the clotheslines area. For the people who do not understand the African culture, this is the African ladder, and it is very important and very useful because the partitions can be used by your mother when you misbehave as a cane. The ladder itself can be used to climb up there, and when the drought comes, this ladder can also be used as firewood. Next to it, you have an outside storage space. This unit comes with a unique design. That's why I've been forced to come back outside. This is the extra door that can be used to access outside, but also it can be used to access the employee quarters, which is here. On my far front, you have the 2nd and the 3rd bedroom. The 1st bedroom is the guest bedroom that we saw earlier, and next to them you have a shared bathroom. On this other side, you have a small hallway that is connecting you to the common areas. That's the living room, the dining area, and the kitchen. And on my far front, you have the primary bedroom where you and your partner should be sleeping. Right inside the 2nd bedroom or the 3rd bedroom, if you do not include the employee quarters, the concept is just similar to what we saw in the other bedrooms. The closet is here. It is not the biggest, though I think this has been influenced by the Rwandese culture. Those people believe in minimalism. They are not as extravagant as we Kenyans. The unique factor of this construction or these bedrooms is the space that you are getting up there for the fresh air, and you would feel there is some difference in these rooms when you compare to what we construct. The 2nd and the 3rd bedrooms are not en suite. That's why they share this washroom, and it has been done very well. Spaces over here for your showering, a center space for your WC, and on my far front you are getting a small wash basin and a full-size mirror. This is the other bedroom, the tiniest of course, and it is targeting the tiny or the small children. The window is massive, the closet is here. You have an extra space here for the extra things that you would have. These doors have been done very well, and the frames are mahogany. The primary bedroom starts from here and you have a small hallway that takes you to the sleeping space. At the entrance of the primary bedroom, you have the primary bathroom. It is the biggest, done very well. The showering area is big enough for you and your partner. You have a WC at the center. What you are getting as an extra is a double towel holder. As much as I said that the closets of these bedrooms are movable, I don't understand how is it possible for you to move such a massive and a heavy closet. This closet is big for two, and I like the uniqueness of the partitioning of its spaces. I know most of you like the closets which come from the floor and touches the ceiling, but as I said, this home comes with a 14-foot ceiling. So how do you expect the closet to go up there? It's too far. The primary bedroom is big enough to fit a king size or a queen size bed. It is facing the front side of this unit, and the massive window is giving you a ton of natural light. And during the night, you'll get your light from this center light, and you have some recessed lights on the gypsum ceilings. We have come to the end of the tour, and one thing that I have come to appreciate is that we should be ready to learn from each other. This unit has been done very well, and there are some things that the Kenyan developer should learn from this. Also, if you are there and you like investing in something unique, this is the home for you. So make sure, prepare your 15 million Kenya shillings and call us in the number attached in the first comment. As always, my name is Mungai Kihara. This is African Real Estate, and happy holidays.